In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set a buy limit on Tradelocker. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser or open up the Tradelocker app on your smartphone device or PC. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account. Now once from here, you'll see this page right here. Now from here, you'll need to find the specific instrument that you want to set a buy limit for. And once you've found that, it should be looking something like this, where you can see the chart over here on the left hand side, and you can see the order side down here. Now from here, you'll need to go down here, and then you'll choose either market, and then change that into a pending order. From here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to choose how many lots you'll want to purchase, and you can also open this up and see you'll need to choose pending, and then add in entry price right here. You also need to be aware that you'll need to put in the buy order right here, and you can also add a trail, stop loss, or take profit if you want to do that. Now from here, you can simply click buy limit right here, and then from here you'll be able to see under pending that it has been opened. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!